actually. Now, the first question rises that computer science is just to go for typing your work. Many have a vague concept that computer science or AI is only and only used for the office work. This doesn't work. Now the era which you are moving is the era of global technology, innovation. Every field, from medical, from psychology, from economics, from business, if you would have a computer knowledge, you cannot start any business. So if you have a good business student, you develop your product and services and market it to the different market, you must have an e-commerce knowledge. If you don't have e-commerce knowledge, how you can embed the things and how you can put in the internet and how you can earn the money. If you are in a banking sector, you must have a 1 or 2 programmer in the banking. Why? Because networking in the banking also are related to the computer science. If you are in a engineering, if you are a mechanical engineer, if you are a civil engineer, if you are a software engineer, flight operations, 90% work is, doing by the AI, artificial intelligence. For research, I went to the Worcester Airport and then Chicago. The flight was without pilot. It was shocking for me. How can they take off and how can they land it? So look where the world is there and where we are standing. We are still, just watching reading books and applying books. But if you just think about the world where they are moving, without computer you cannot move, without AI you cannot move. So this thing you have to be in your mind that you are one of the luckiest students that you opt in the computer science. And this is my message for you people that please, you have to give your time every day. Now, value yourself. Yesterday I was sitting with one of my best friends. He is an AI expert, only 3-4 students. They have completed PhD in AI. I told them that you can come to Larkana. We have sisters and brothers, they are very poor. They can't afford lumps, they can't afford dust. So you can come for one lecture. He gave me a very good message to me. He said that I only and only devoted my education to the poor families because I've been to come from a fertile school to the highest level. How you value yourself? Number 1, I can give you 3 stones. You are a computer-oriented person. You can design those stones and put it embedded in internet. You make any website, Alta Vista or any like a website which you wanted. What happened? You have a different customers. One customer which can buy your stone, they can offer you $30. But if you targeted the only and only museums around the world and you make some touches, okay, I found this stone from the Mohenjo-daro. Look, from a $30, now your value of your stone is 500 million. Look, because they say, 5,000 BC old civilization, and you have a 3 stone, same thing, but how you marketed your product and services. That's the issue. And then the third offer which you have given, you have just that stone you have. Now, a same thing you have to offer yourself what you are. In my second year class e-commerce, one of the students, he said that, sir, I am earning 70,000 rupees. Also, it's not enough for the computer science student. In IBA, second year and third year student, they work for the different companies. They made some programs and then sell it. So you can also sell those programs. Try to avoid cramming. That's my message for today. Don't go for cramming. You have to create your thinking. You have to create, we have 4, 5 pools. So at least your brain have one pool which is very active. So from today, you promise me that you can work on that. Okay, Baba? Thank you very much.